Yo, what's poppin'? It's your boy Corby High. Facebook, I know the name in the face is Harlem Goonbird. Right now, you know, we in a custom-made, plush-out joint, watching videos and shit. Got this loud going up in the air in a few minutes.
Ow!
And it's like, you know, got three, no homo, no raspy, no rainbow, none of that. My niggas, we official. We ain't no ugly niggas. Niggas got a little paper, we get paper, know how to get paper, and help you get paper. Ladies, what's wavy? Y'all not fucking with me tonight?
You don't get in the van?
You don't wanna get in the van? It's custom, smell good, we smoke good, eat good. Holla at your boy, man. My phone is off. You know, but you always make a hit, Harlem Goonbird. Or you can hit, he gooned up. We live. I would give you my boy page, but he ain't fucking with y'all like that.
Right.
And also, we mounting up for that black and white affair. Chris Charles, you already know. Big B's, the homies, we on deck. We got a few niggas coming out. Promise you, my nigga. I love you. Harlem Matriarch was wavy. DJ Capone. How the fuck you ain't here, my nigga? C Dirt. We love you, boy. Big B's. We out.